Hello everyone, today we will learn about GUI, which stands for Graphical User Interface in Python. But we're not going to do it the hard way by writing complex code. Instead, we'll use a super helpful platform called PyUiBuilder. PyUiBuilder is a drag and drop tool that lets you create Python GUIs without needing to write much code at all. If you've ever wanted to build a clean, good-looking app but didn't know where to start, this is the perfect platform. So let's take a look at how it works. As you can see, the interface is very simple and easy to understand. Currently, PyBuilder allows you to choose between the Tkinter and custom TK frameworks. For this demo, I'll be using Tkinter. The section you see here in the middle is called the viewport. This is where your main window appears, ready for you to build on. If you click on the window, you'll notice the right sidebar updates with a bunch of options. Here, you can change things like the widget name, which is the variable name, the window title, the logo, the size, the layout, styling options, and even how the window behaves when an event happens. You can customize your main window however you like using these settings. I'll make a few quick changes now just to show you how simple it is. Now let's look at the left sidebar. First, we have the widgets tab. This section gives us all the basic elements we might need for our GUI. We have things like the main window, top level, frame, label, button, entry, and more. Let's add a top level window by just dragging and dropping. Just like the main window, you also get several configuration options for this one. Then, I want to add a button to my GUI. All I have to do is click on the button widget, drag it into the main window, and drop it wherever I want. Just like that, the button is added. Now I can customize this button however I like. But the most important part that makes this button work is the event handler. To use the event handler, you first need to write a function that the button should perform when clicked. So here you can see we have an option called Code Editor. I will simply click on this and a new window will pop up. In that window, I can write my code. Let's say, just for example, I want the button to print Hello World when it's pressed. I'll add that code, close the window, then go back to my button, select the event handler, choose left mouse click, and set our function for that event. And that's it. Now our button is fully working. Next is the plugin section. It offers extra features you can easily add, and you can even request new ones if needed. I'll add a few examples here, like a calendar, a chart, a map, and an analog time picker. After a few simple tweaks, they look like this. Pretty cool, right? And the best part? It's super easy to use. Then there's the tree view. It gives you a clear, structured layout of your project. It starts from the main window and lists everything inside it in proper order. You can view variable names, hide elements, or even delete them directly from here. After that, we have the upload option. This is where you can upload images. For example, I've already uploaded my logo here before. Next is the templates section. It has some ready-to-use designs that you can use to speed things up. And finally, we have the code editor, which we've already seen earlier. Once you're done building your GUI, all you have to do is click the export code button. This will export your project as a zip file. After downloading, unzip the file. You'll see a few items inside, a requirements.txt file, an assets folder that contains the logo, and a main.py file. First, we will install all the required libraries, then run the main.py file. And that's it. Your GUI is now up and running. Let's test it out. When I click the button, it prints Hello World in the terminal, just as we said it earlier. So we've just built a Python GUI using simple drag and drop, no complex coding needed. Visit PyUiBuilder.com and try some cool stuff. Let me know in the comments how your experience was with this platform.